prove trigonometric ratios of values sin 0 0, cos 0 1, tan 0 is 0. Now let us take a triangle, right triangle ABC, right angle at B. Now if I take angle A is 0, when A is 0, when this coincided here, if I take 0, first A comes here and then here. So the position of A like this reduces CBA. Now ABC, ultimately C comes at B. It means BC is when angle A is equal to 0 degree, BC is equal to 0, and AC is nearly equal to AB. Now in right triangle ABC, what is sin A? Sin A is P upon H. What is P here? BC upon, this is perpendicular, this is base, and this is hypotenuse. And what is hypotenuse? AC. Now what is the value of BC? BC is 0. So 0 upon AC is, and angle A is 0. I will take 0 is equal to 0. A is 0. Now I will calculate cos 0. For cos 0, I will take cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse. First write formula. What is base? See here, AB is base and hypotenuse is AC. Now we see here, what is the value of AB? AB is AC. Put it here. AB is AC upon AC. This will cut. So cos A is cos 0 is equal to 1. If I take A is 0, then cos 0 is 1. Now tan 0. For tan 0, first I write tan A. What is tan A? Formula P upon B. What is P? BC upon AB. If I take A is 0, what is BC? If A is 0, then BC is 0 upon AB. It means tan 0 is 0. Tan 0 is 0. Now we prove for 90 degree. We prove it for 90 degree. Prove sin 90 1, cos 90 0, and tan 90 is not defined, infinity, not defined. Solution, let us take a right angle triangle ABC. ABC, right angle at B. This angle I want to 90 degree. When it becomes 90 degree? When it reaches to B. First it will come here, then it will come here, then the position is like that. It will come here, it will look like this. A, B, C. If it come here, it look like this. And finally it will come it here, it look like this. A comes at B, C is as it is. So here when angle A, what we observe, when angle A is 90 degree, then distance AB, this distance AB is 0, this distance AB is 0, and AC is nearly equals to BC. AC is nearly equals to BC. Now in right triangle ABC, what is sin A? Sin A, opposite to A is perpendicular, this is base, and this is hypotenuse. Sin A is P upon H. So what is P? BC, and what is H? AC. So what is the value of BC? If I take A is 90, then what is the value of BC? BC is BC, and what is the value of AC? AC is BC, it will cut, it comes 1. So sin 90 degree is equal to 1. Now for cos A, that is base upon hypotenuse in right triangle ABC, cos A is base upon hypotenuse, base is AB, and hypotenuse is AC. Now angle is 90 degree, then what is AB? What is AB? AB is 0 and AC as it is 0 upon something is 0, so cos 90 is equal to 0. Now for tan A, P upon B, what is P? BC upon AB, BC upon AB. Now see here, what is BC? BC is tan A. Now A is 90, what is A is 90. If I take A is 90, then BC is perpendicular is this BC, and what is BC? BC is BC, and what is AB? 0. AB is 0. Now tan 90, BC is BC, and AB is, what is AB? 0. Anything divided by 0 is infinity. So this proves sin 90 1, cos 90 0, tan 90 infinity.